Hey everyone, it's Becca. It's So Darn Twisted. I'm giving you a little sneak peek at my newest journal. It's a gift for a couple who got married. My friend wants to give it to them to use as like a memory book, to put photographs in, that kind of thing. The lady is an English teacher. Not sure if it's English literature or just English as a whole, but she particularly likes sort of Victorian, romantic, you know, and poetry, that kind of thing. So I thought, okay, I know where to go with this. And the bridesmaids' dresses were like a kind of dark teal green. So I've tried to sort of incorporate that. This is obviously only the bare bones at the moment. I had to make the cover twice because I made one and it was too big. So I had to just scrap it. So I now have two of these covers, but there you go, never mind. And obviously I've got that ready to put a spine dangle on for them. So obviously I've got the greens. We've sort of agreed for other muted Victorian shades, you know, like the dusky pinks, the pale blues, you know, and the sort of garden greens and that obviously feature in Victorian styles, but with highlights of the sort of darker green feature stuff, that kind of thing. So the first thing that I've done to put in here so far was a little pocket to stash photographs and stuff in. One of my, obviously, as you guys know, I do love a funky closure method. I will be leaving a lot of these pages blank for my friend to glue in photographs and stuff like that, and to, you know, just glue other things to do with the wedding, that kind of thing, into the book. So I'm not filling this as much as I would normally, but, you know, it's not going to be completely empty or anything. As I say, I have only just really got started on it. So I'd made a few pieces of ephemera to put in, but I only made the actual cover yesterday. So that's just, again, little sort of stashy pockets and the like. Got some really beautiful papers going on for this one, and obviously they will have, you know, big nice lace trim and everything, sort of that flowery romanticism thing. There's a pocket here and a card to write. I might do it myself or let my friend do it, you know, sort of write a verse or a quote or something on the back of that. I'm doing a tutorial for some of this. I might actually do it for that exact thing, we'll see. So look out for that one. What else have we got? We have here, open that up, a little pocket and a nice poem from the 1800s, and that's a tuck spot as well in there. I'm hoping that they figure that one out. My friend might actually have to show them how to open that one, because when I went back to it, even I looked and thought, how did I close that again? Maybe that's just because I'm a bit dense, who knows. But as I say, lots of pretty sort of papers going on. A little jaunty angled fold out for little tuck spots in there, and whatnot. I like the idea of this, of being able to, like, on the background paper, sort of add something into a frame there. I thought that was really cute, and I might put some lace around the edge or something, I don't know yet. I think that's it as far as stuff I've put in it yet. But yeah, as I say, beautiful papers. And then for the back cover, I've just made, there we go. Got myself a bit confused there, didn't I? And that is just like a little sort of tuck spot for some photographs in there, you know, just with a pretty folder. So yeah, so that's how it's going so far. As I say, there's a fair way to go on it yet, and as you guys know, I'll do the cover at the end. What I'm planning to do with this one is to put lots of sort of Victorian lace on it, that kind of thing, and again, some sort of teal details to pick it out, and the spine dangle will have the cream and teal featured in it as well. So yeah, there you go. Obviously I will post another flip through when it's kind of halfway done or something, but apart from anything, it's nice to be able to show progress to my friend Tilly and say this is how it's going. So there you go, guys. I'll see you for the tutorial soon. Bye.